So, hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today is day 12th of 30-day English speaking challenge. You all know that I have taken a challenge of 30-day English speaking, and this is our day 12th. And every day I am taking lots of techniques or principles or grammar rules to discuss about English speaking, how we can improve ourselves, how we can speak English fluently with confidently. So I am talking lots of things related to English speaking, English grammar, English techniques of speaking. So be connected with me and you can visit our playlist of 30-day English speaking challenge. So today I came with some myth about English speaking. Like some teachers or trainers say you have to know about the translation or grammar rules or do this, do this. So there are some myths we have to overcome from that. So what are these myths? That first, what do you think? First time when you felt that you are not able to speak English? And what do you think if you speak in your native language? So you focus on grammar or only just you start speaking? Just you have to think, if you are talking with anyone in your native language, like my native language is Hindi. If I am talking with someone in Hindi, so I am focusing on grammar or only I am talking just randomly I am talking with the person. I am not focusing on our grammar. After learning, after 1 or 2 years, I read about the Hindi grammar rules. But before that, I learned the Hindi language. So most of the time, we made some mistake that we focus on grammar more than speaking. And just we read some grammars. So there are 2 or 3 questions I am going to ask you. If there is one student who is studying in Hindi medium and another student who is studying in English medium, who is reading more grammar, more English grammar? Absolutely, you will say the Hindi medium students is reading more English grammar. English medium students not. And who is better speaker? Who is good speaker in English? English medium or Hindi medium? Absolutely, your reply is English medium. So why? My question is why, if the Hindi medium student is reading more grammar, so he may be capable to speak and talk in English more than English medium because he is not reading grammar. So it's not about the grammar, how much grammar you study, how much grammar rule you know. It's the mean of environment. It's the mean of practice, how much you are practicing. So we have to follow only 2 rules. First, we have to be confident and we have to accept the criticism. If someone is saying anything about me, I have to accept, yes, you are right, you are saying and giving some information to me, I am accepting. So be open to accept the criticism. And the second thing, we have to just start speaking English. If we have decided to start speaking English, we want to speak English fluently and confidently, we have to start speaking English. How we can start speaking? If we are going to listen someone, we are definitely going to speak English. So what we have to do? We have to just follow some listening skills. Like you can decide to listen any podcast, any English channel, any English anything. You can just start listening and then 5 or 10 minutes just start speaking. You are going to see the results after 30 days if you are going to implement this listening and speaking. And the reading and the translation, reading, grammar, or deep knowledge of grammar, this is the other thing. This is another thing. We have to focus just listening and speaking. So these are the two important things which is very important to improve your English speaking, which I follow. Every day I listen and I speak. Every day I read and write. Only 10 or 15 minutes. So this was the information which I shared with you all on day 12th of 30-day English speaking challenge. So keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today. Be connected and keep learning. So thanks.